Hello everyone, I'm Pavitra. I will be your lab instructor for the rest of your summer one. It's actually unfortunate that we are not meeting in the class. Well, that was actually good to have you all in the class and doing the lab, but that's okay. We can do it together online. So, I thought of giving you some introduction of the software we use and how to access some things from the blackboard. Okay, so I thought you must know this prior in starting off our lab. So let me get onto this first. When you log into your blackboard, okay, so you will have your main section over here. Okay, so click on that. This is your main section. This was actually for the spring 2020. You will I did not get access it for your lab, so I have to show this. First thing is, you under your lab section, okay, you will be dealing only with this. So under your lab section you have these things. Okay, let me give you a short description of this. So just when you click on the JMP link, you will have two things. Okay, there will be a link to download the JMP, and I have created a video on how to install it. I had to do it only on Windows 10 because I do not have Mac. So if you have a Mac and if you want to do it from there, then contact the IT desk. Okay, make sure you install it properly and there'll be no error when you are doing it. Fine, because there were a lot of students who got a problem to install the GMP. We had given 2 weeks to download that, so make sure you download it properly. So because if you get an error in the middle of your lab, then we have a short time, so you will be in a trouble. So make sure you download it properly. One thing is that, and next is your lab manuals. Okay, so this is your lab manuals, and I guess we'll be doing a little chapter 10. I think so. So I'll show you one thing. It's in the PDF format. So you will have your class activity. So what I thought was, I might do a video on this. I'm not sure of it, because you have a detailed instruction on how to do your assignment in this. So I think a video is not necessary for this, but that's okay. If you want a video on this, I might do, but I'm sure I will be doing it on the assignment questions, which means I will not be doing all the assignment, but I will show you how to do. I mean, I will give you a tips on how to solve all these assignment questions. Okay, this was the lab 1. Lab 1 is damn easy, you can do it. Fine, so this is how you access your lab manuals, and then you have upload lab assignment. Yeah, I wanted to tell you about the assignment. The thing is, assignment will be individual. You will have to do it individually. Fine, because team assignments won't work. As you all know, we are not meeting in the class, so I don't think so you all can form the team and then do it. It takes a lot of time, and there'll be some kind of issues between your team. So we will lose time solving those issues. So instead of that, we can do it individually. I think that works. Okay, so how do you upload the lab assignment? So you just have to go to your respective link. Okay, if you are uploading the lab assignment 1, then just click on this. You will have an option called as browse my computer. Okay, So when you click on that, it will take you to the your my computer, okay, and then you can upload your assignment wherever you have saved it. Fine. And assignment will be in the Word format. You will have to, I will show you how to write your assignment also. Fine. You will have to write in a kind of report on how you solve those assignment questions, those things. It's easy. You all can do that, but okay. And then you have this data set, which is quite important. Okay, this is where you will be doing all your lab assignment. So click on this data set JMP. You have numerous kind of data sets. Okay, you don't have to worry about all this. You will be dealing only with this data set. Okay, you will be doing all your assignment only using this data set, but you might use this base and some other data set if you are doing the class activity. Okay, class activity includes the other data set except the small town. Fine. So what you have to do is when you choose your data set, just click on this. It will be automatically downloaded. Okay, and now you will be opening it using the JMP software. I'll tell you what is that. Okay, so this is it from the blackboard, and there's one more thing I want to show you all, guys. When you go to your respective section, for example, if your section is 202 or 204, okay, so just click on your respective section. You will be having a new kind of thing here, that is a lab contents. Okay, this is where I will be uploading the videos and the assignment. This is a video links on how to do your assignment, and there is a PDF also. Okay, I have created some PDFs. This was for the last spring. I'll be doing it for you all in a kind of assignment, means like I thought of doing it a video and there'll be a PDF. Okay, you can get access to both on or after June 1st. Fine. So I'll be keeping this all in your respective section, so make sure you just go here and use all these resources. Fine. That's the one last thing I wanted to tell you. So that's it from the blackboard, and there's a JMP software. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how the JMP software looks like. Fine, just double click on that after you install it. Okay, this is what will happen. You get this, just close it. Whichever window pops up, just close it. Fine. And now you have to open the downloaded data set. Remember, we downloaded the small town thing. So I used it, so you will have these kind of things. But if you are new to it, then there'll be empty boxes on either side of it. Fine. So how do you open a data set? Just go to file, open it. Okay, so this is where you find it. So click on that, open. Fine. So this is how your data set will look like. Fine. So this is what you have to do in prior of starting your lab. Okay, so I think that's it. These are the only things which I wanted to explain you all. And yeah, assignment will be individual, no doubt in that. And then yeah, that's it, I think. Yeah, one more thing was about the WebEx meeting. I will be sharing you a link for the WebEx meeting. I might I might hold a meeting 2 days per week or might be 1 day per week. I'm not still sure of it, but I will let you all know about my office hours, so that will be through WebEx. Fine, you can ask me any kind of doubt if you have. I'm glad to solve those questions. Or if you don't feel like joining the WebEx meeting, but that's okay. You can email me your questions. I can solve it. Okay. So make sure you do all these things. The first thing you have to do is to install JMP. Okay. After you do it, then you all can do the other things. It's the labs are quite easy. Some are difficult, but that's okay, we can do it. Fine. So these were the only things I wanted to let you all know. Fine. Okay. So I will be doing I'll be creating a videos on all the lab manuals, and I will be uploading you all. Okay, fine. Thank you.